Back to Daytime Live. Since it's the holidays, Dufton has things to teach us.
Holidays are a time for fellowship and friendship with those you love. However, for many bereaved families, it is also the time of year when they remember the ones in their lives who have died. There are many ways to cope with grief at Christmas, and when dealing with the loss of a loved one at Christmas, one thing to keep in mind is there is actually no right or wrong way to celebrate the holidays. Well, here are 5 ways to help your mental well-being during the holidays, and of course you can interpret them how you want.
All right, so first suggestion would be to put yourself first. So the most important thing for you right now is to put yourself first. Do what feels right for you. Don't worry about what others will say or think. You have to do at this time what serves you best to help you to cope during this time. So if you want to boycott Christmas altogether, it will come around. That's fine. There's one next year. And if you want to be extra festive and really celebrate, that's okay to celebrate beyond Christmas if you want to. The point is, it's okay to feel happy when you're bereaved.
Yeah. People oftentimes feel like they should not feel happiness, because if they do, it's almost a disrespect.
And they feel guilty.
But I always try to, if I'm giving any advice, it's that what would be the person who you love that passed on, what would they want for you? Would they want you to be sad, or would they want you to at least try to be happy?
If it's a narcissist, they probably want you to be sad. Sorry, continue. Yeah. All right, number 2, allow yourself to grieve. No, I remember when my grandmother died last year. Oh my goodness. Don't feel that just because it's Christmas, you have to hide your grief. Pretending that you're fine is counterproductive. So you want to reach out, you want to talk to somebody. If you need to do it and be honest about how you're feeling. Now, sharing the memories of the person you've lost with a friend or family member can also be very comforting. But if you don't feel like doing it and you want to talk to friends or relatives, you don't want to talk to friends or relatives, then you can speak to a counselor, either in person or by using a service which allows you to chat online to a trained bereavement counselor, so they wouldn't know who you are.
Yeah, guidance, professionals.
Yes.
They will at least be able to give you a guide. At least a guide, which is good, which is very, very good, which leads to the third point, structure. It is easy to lose all sense of routine and structure over the Christmas holidays. Where possible, it's good to stick to some sort of routine over the festive season to ensure that you look after yourself. Our minds and bodies like routine, so even if it's waking up at a set time each day, taking a walk at the same time, or undertaking another form of regular exercise at the same time as you normally do, the structure will help.
That's true. And another thing you could do is, even though you want to focus on yourself, you could flip that and give to others by focusing on others. So it can be very easy to feel overwhelmed at this time of year. Sometimes giving to others can actually really help. It's cathartic, Volunteering is a great way of keeping yourself busy, and it can also feel really rewarding. So why not volunteer to distribute donations to families in need, or serve meals to those who are alone on Christmas Day? Helping others can offer a welcomed break from the everyday, and it helps you to focus your attention on something really positive.
Yeah.